Okay, boys, we're going to look at this question. It says a university professor determines that no more than 80% of this year's history candidates should pass the examination. So straight away, we're going to put a little line here and say if 80% pass, that means 20% below that mark, 20% fail, and above that mark, 80% pass. Okay, so 80% pass and 20% fail. Now it says that the results are approximately normally distributed, just here, so that's why we've drawn the normal distribution. It says there's a mean of 62, let's write that down, mean of 62, and a standard deviation of 13. Okay, we want to find the mark, which is here, whatever number this is, let's call it M, that corresponds to this particular diagram. So we want that Z, we're going to make this a Z score. We want to find the Z score which 80% of the data is above. So let's just write down an expression. So we're going to find the probability of Z less than some number M, right, equal to, right, 0.2 for the 20% fail, right, because we want it below that. Okay, so we want to find which number M makes this true. So let's go to the table. We can see that this is very, very close to 0.2. It's 0.2005. So this is negative 0.8, and then the second decimal place will be 4. So negative 0.84. So I'm going to write that down. Probability that Z is less than negative 0.84, that's equal to 0.2005. That's still an approximation, but that's very close to 0.2. All right, so the Z score, which corresponds to M here, is this number here. The Z score is negative 0.84. Okay, now we want to find the actual mark in the exam, which corresponds to this Z score. So we're just going to use our Z score formula. And this will be negative 0.84, which equals, now the X score, we don't know, we're trying to find it out. The average is 62 and the standard deviation is 13. Okay, so let's just solve that equation. So that's going to give us 13 times negative 0.84. It's going to give us negative 10.92. So negative 10.92 is equal to X minus 62. And then if we add 62 to that, you're going to get 51.08. So on our diagram, this mark here, Z equals negative 0.84, corresponds to 51.08 as a percent. Let's just see, or is it a mark? Yeah, okay. Mean of 62. Let's assume that it's out of 100. Okay. Yep. All right. So normally distributed. So 51.08%. So anything below that is below 51.08 is going to be a failure. Now we're not going to have 51. 51 obviously won't be correct, so we're going to choose 52%. Okay, because 51 will be too low, because it's got to be 51.0 or less. So realistically, if you're looking at the percentage there, so the nearest whole number will be 52.2%, but this would be a more precise answer, 51.08%. So the nearest percent, we'll look at 52% as the pass mark. So as long as you've got, say, 52%, then 80% of the people will have a mark above that, so they'll pass, and the other 20% will have a mark below that, so they'll fail. So the question didn't say how many decimal places, so we'll go with 51.08% or 52%. Okay, that's the end of that.